Hey everybody, Brett here from Ackland. I'm out here on site and I want to show you one of the biggest reasons that companies are transitioning to our media frame. It's because wraps have been around for a while and wraps look good when they're done, but eventually wraps get ugly. They get tagged, they get trees, and somebody finds out along the way that even though this is a brand, somebody's brand, which you'll notice is the only part that got removed, is at stake. But to remove a decal like this and to prep the surface and get it ready to do another decal wrap is expensive, like big bucks. So they leave this. I mean, how much are these companies' image worth? They're worth everything, of course. So we come in with our frame and say, don't take it off. It's an old truck, leave it, but let's make it look new. And we do that with our framing system. It's gonna go here, 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 and we just cover it with brand new, inexpensive, non-adhesive vinyl. And this will look like a brand new truck for as long as they want it to, until they want to change the message again. And then again, they'll pull off the vinyl easily, not like this, and put on a new one in a matter of an hour with a screw gun, and new truck rolls out with new branding. Ackland Media Frames.